Hola guys, it's Dani here. Welcome to another one of my videos. And today in this one, we're going to be teaching you how to do an alternate T-plank. A T-plank is basically a normal plank that converts into a side plank that goes back into a plank that converts into the other side plank, basically. For that, we're going to keep our shoulders back always. So try and open your chest and pinch your shoulder blades back when you're in the plank. Squeeze your core and squeeze your glutes. That's the way of keeping the plank in a really good way. Same principle for the side plank. Bring your bum in, just squeeze it in and try and keep your chest open so that you're actually in a good plane, in a good straight line on the vertical plane here, okay? It's literally just lifting one arm up and then down and lifting one arm up and then down. Simple and straightforward, but yeah, just keep in mind that you gotta be in a straight line in both type of plank to make it correctly. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, give it a like, subscribe to my channel for more of these videos in which I want to help you get better at doing all types of exercise so that you can get better results at the gym with less injuries, okay? I'll see you in the next one, and yeah, stay safe.